Hello, YouTube. I am fighting a little kid here, and he just wants to talk crap. He don't understand. Alright, guys, I'm gonna let you guys hear him because you know what? I don't know about you guys, but if you guys were born in 1990s or in the 1900s, or if you're ancient and born in the 1800s, please tell me something. If you were born in the 1900s and the 1800s, if you get into an argument with somebody, you're gonna talk about their. You ain't gonna talk about their mom. Don't fight them one-on-one. You don't talk about their mom. These new kids in 2000 stuff, all they want to do is talk about your mama. Come the fuck on. I'm tired of hearing this little kid. And it's Mike. He's got the Laffy Taffy connection. He's got the Laffy Taffy connection, right? And oh my god. And it's Mike from Dollar Tree. I mean, come on. All right, so I'm gonna switch and let you guys hear it. From Maryland. Yeah, you are sorry. So is your mother. Hello, YouTube. Thank you for watching once again. We're gonna watch got the moonsault. Cause it's 2-on-2, buddy. What do you expect? It's 2-on-2. See, he can't even talk. He can't even talk. There you go, Mike. Take care of him. I got this kid. I hate you. I hate you. Got the Yo Mama jokes again.
We keep it hopping like the cars with the shocks. We spitting heat on your block. We new to the game, but running the spot. Numbing your knob. Baselines that'll make your neck break. Let's ruckle, take it queen and put your king in checkmate. Open your mind without making you meditate. We real champs, y'all just featherweight. Time to get it straight. I push your wig back, cool, loaded up with extra bread like a Big Mac. We doing us, leaving your face down. Stomping bitch rappers like I'm straight out of A-Town. Running the playground like it was a track meet. Shoes on the whip, that be bigger than Shaq's feet. We in the big things, bank accounts overgrown, all types of cheese, Swiss cheddar, provolone, guaranteed to burn wax like candles. Track hitting hard to the head like shots of Jack
Your boyfriend rage quitted, that's what happened. Your boyfriend rage quitted. Your boyfriend rage quitted, buddy. Your boyfriend rage quitted. Oh, he rage quitted, now it's on you. No. Come on, it can't be. Yo, he's gonna put me through a lab.
Another one bites the
How
dust.
sweet is that?
is trademark the truth. Lay back aloof, I'm God, as if you needed some proof. You
Oh,
ain't
he's just
hard,
gonna
I
keep
can see it
spamming
on
this
you.
move.
I need a
How
roof, fucking
sweet.
drop if I'm creeping on you. Click, clack, nickel back, knick-knacks if you got heaters on you. Spitting back live rounders with
Oh,
5
no.
pounders. If we meeting on 2, I put a beating on you. You sounds tired, buddy, that's why I'm sleeping on
Quick,
you.
leave,
Back
rage
in the
quit,
vibe,
come on,
cream
kid.
stacking a raw high. That's how the guards slide with a raw vibe. Straight military camo clothes, hash brown.
Rage quit it once
How
again.
the handling flows, since enamel was gold tooth and branded by low. You cold fuck like Eskimo hoes at 7 below. You slow, you be the last to think. My hands seem more fucking dirt than bathroom sinks. Y'all bitch crews don't wanna fuck with us. Y'all bound to lose.
Little kid, that's all he wanted to say. I quit. You know what, YouTube? Here you go. You can see his stupid name. There he is, Seth Roll. And then you also got Green Team Dash Trick. Here we are, me and Mike Bongo. Cause Mike Bongo bongos too much.
You ain't family, you ain't earning my trust, boy. Seen too many bitches that'll double cross you. You bring more drama than the Laker
Thank you for
roster.
watching.
Ain't nobody can say
I'll upload another video sooner or later today, possibly. Possibly on
Break is a
GTA 5
name, the
today.
rest of you lame. I'm ego driven, seen with different
yeah,
women,
maybe
every
I'll have
size and
another
frame.
bad
I
GTA
refine
5
my
video.
game by fucking famous bitches.
Also,
But it's
I'm
all
making
the
shout-out
same, it's
videos
just
today
next
too,
to the
so
next
keep
one.
an eye
Sex
on
or blame, misses or misses.
it's to
Marry
the
or not,
people that
my
like to
game don't
comment
stop.
on my
It's
videos
bars,
with
bars, bars,
different
stop.
names,
You
like
ain't
one of
see
them
my
playing
flow.
that
Y'all are
he
small
does.
time suckers like an
His name
E.I.O.
is him and Cody, K-O-D-Y from
Don't
Ace.
wanna fuck with us.
They're both bisexuals and they dated, or they're dating now. And he likes to say that he said that he'll beat the shit out of me and then piss in my deep, sexy mouth. Something like that. Then he said, dude, I'm not gay, man. Go ahead and say what you please. I mean, if you want to act gay and say stuff like gay stuff, it's all over the internet anyway. So you're seeing, I mean, you can sit here and say, oh, I made a different YouTube this to say this and that. I don't care. YouTube still saw it. You're still on YouTube. And you know what? Since you want to call me out to a 2-on-2, I'll call you out and I'll fight you in a 2-on-2. I got my partner. I'm not going to say who my partner is, but I got my partner and he's waiting. And I'm waiting for you to make your little first move. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, and this is for you, you stupid queer. Fuck you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching this video. And have a great day, ladies and gentlemen. Also, by the way, pre-order 2K15. You will not get anything better by Sting. 2 eras of him. And supposedly there will be a Hulk Hogan edition of 2K15. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. Have a great day. And what the hell kind of call is that? I don't know. Thank you for watching, and have a great, beautiful day. And also message up that Seth Roll kid, because he's a crybaby. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.